And finally, we got a breakout from this massive channel that we got into back on the last, of course, on May, and after the reverse split that we did back in 2023. As you can see here, we entered a big a bearish channel where the market, the short seller, uh, added a lot of positions for shorting AMC from the $10 until the $1. And however, we got a turning point here from this bearish channel where we tested almost 4 times. We have the breakout here on June. This month, guys, we got the confirmation for the breakout after holding the $2.20. So in today's video, I have to discuss tomorrow price action and of course the next month price level for AMC and what is mean for us for now after breaking this level and having almost 100 million worth of volume. But before we go further, remember our content always for educational purposes only. And of course, remember, we always do update on our Discord and Patreon for the alert for a lot of stocks, day trade stocks, and of course, swing trade stocks that we always do. So first of all, let us discuss AMC and what's going on with this reversal. First of all, as you can see here, we got a good earnings. The second, we got a big breakout here from this bear channel. And now we already have a major reversal of 200%, guys. This level of squeeze never happened before. Usually we do 40% here. Here we did 14%. Here the major squeeze, we did 200% back in 13th of May, but we got shorted right away after we tested the 1160. Now, this is a different story because the price is holding tight over the $2. And of course, we got a pullback here back in April. And after the earnings, we reverse. We have another pullback after the testing the $2.20. We added here around the 173 and we got another pump. So this is a healthy way of reversing from the bottom and confirming the reversal and holding the reversal on the pump because we don't want a jump and then the next day a flush. But then now AMC doing really good because it's on the right track with the volume. And last Friday we closed around 6% up, and now it's getting near a critical zone, from my opinion, around the 317 and the $4. Those the two first level, and of course the most important one, at least for the coming months, is the $5.50. But for now, it's getting near the $3.17. So what we should plan or what we should do to confirm that we are strong? This would be a great question to ask. Because if we got $3.17, we might have a pullback, guys, because here we got a lot of sellers. They might add their position here for a pullback down. However, if we pull back this time, we should hold the $2.20 for another pump up, like what happened exactly here. Once we test the $2.20, we went toward the 173 and we reversed after that almost. Let me just check how much we reversed here from this dip. We reversed almost 60%. So now we need to have the same reaction, pulling back toward the $2.20 and then breaking the $3.17 to go toward the $4.08. And after that, the $5.55, which is a psychological level and squeeze zone, not normal squeeze, but a hyperbolic squeeze if we break this level to go directly maybe toward over the $10. So this is it, guys. Right now, looking great. The volume, let's see tomorrow what's going to happen for the volume. If we have over 100 million, will be a really good environment to have a squeeze over the $3.17 and go toward the 4 and the 5. In the meantime, let me know, guys, in the comment section below what you think about the price target or price level for the next month for AMC or the next week. Are we going to have at least the $3.17 or over the $3, or are we going to pull back before that and go toward the $2 to consolidate over the $2 for a while? Because right now is a critical zone, guys. There's no consolidation. We should have at least a test for the 3 and 4, then we pull back will be a good indicator that AMC doing fantastically good and confirming that we are technically And fundamentally, we broke from this bear channel and right now ready to reverse up toward the 4 and 5 and maybe the 10 and 11 before the end of this month. As we said, guys, remember, we're going to do, as usual, live streaming 15 minutes before the market open to discuss AMC and other stocks and our watch list. And before this live streaming, by 2 hours, we're going to discuss the market on our Discord and Patreon. The link in the description below if you want to join early, because all the action happened in the pre-market before the market open. Thank you for watching, guys, and have a great weekend.